Oh my god. Okay. Good morning, guys. Been a while since I did a morning stream, but I've been a little sick, actually. Yeah, I bought a tiny bit on Tuesday, and I bought more. I bought two-thirds of my position yesterday because it was getting volume yesterday. But this is still really thin. Um, I'm still in a third of my BABA. Thank fucking God, dude. This is what's. I didn't think this was gonna run 40%. I should have bought. I should have bought some. I know I talked about trading options. I haven't done it yet, but I should have bought some options on this. China move is not done, but China move is extended. But yeah, Baba is. I thought Baba was going to consolidate below 120 or at least 128, but for now it's going. Obviously, I haven't been trading well, and that's part of the reason I haven't been streaming as much, I'll admit. Because I missed Hims, I missed Grawl, I missed Shaken Out of Tem. This one I don't really care about. I missed the big Oklo run after I got shaken out on DeepSeek. I got some of it at least. What else did I miss? I missed all I missed things like EH that I was watching, right? I had the alert here. Remember, I talked about this. I complained. I'm just gonna go over all my complaints again. I wasn't gonna trade this, but I could have traded Yin and C-Web for a nice 33% move on these, right from like here. I was shaking out a Futu. I was shaking out a Tiger. I missed the likes of KC, obviously, and what's the VNet you could have bought here or here. It was pretty. No, it's liquid enough. GDS, I probably wouldn't have bought this. But anyway, I don't think China's a buy today, obviously. XPEV, right? I was shaken out of because I bought it here, didn't rebuy it. Uh, Nothing I could really do about these. Pony and WRD. These are top watches for me. I just keep them. I'm just keeping them separate on this China section. What else am I trying to say? See anything actionable today? Um, I might add to Affirm. We'll see, depending on where it goes. So it got rejected at this 79 level. I still have most of my position. I only sold like 15% or less. But yeah, Affirm and we'll see Upstart if Upstart get they got more news. Right. This is my new conviction trade for now. But US markets have been like one day software is strong, right? And the next day it's only megas. Like yesterday was mostly megas, right? Uh, Baba Weekly is great, you're right, but it's been just straight up. I mean, I'm gonna hold on to my position, I think. I might sell like a little bit just 'cause I have to. Anyway, I give my performance in this market a fucking C minus. Jesus fucking Christ. But you know what I didn't do is I didn't succumb to FOMO. I was thinking about like buying a huge amount of serve at like 21, and I didn't do that at least. So, so good for me. You got shook out of a firm yesterday, dude. Lomo, come on, man, above the 10 day. Unless you've like bought it here, in which case I understand. But I had it like I've had it in the 70s, so yeah, makes sense. Yeah, I might buy Upstart depending on the reaction. I didn't trade this on day one. Or no, I did. I did traded it. I traded it and I sold it real quick. Yeah. But I feel like it's at least it's giving a clear range at least. This 81 level and 88 level. Um, what else? I actually bought some Gorilla. I bought it here, I think, and I just sold it obviously. Or did I buy it here? I bought it one of these days. Wednesday. I think I bought it Wednesday. Yeah. Obviously this went. I missed BBAI, obviously. I missed the Palantir, but it's all good. It looks like Palantir is getting slammed, so we're happy about that for now. But this might actually be a BTFD moment. I don't know though. I would give it like a day or two, actually, but who knows? Yeah, yeah, I know. I held it into wait, 27th was DeepSeek, right? Or was this DeepSeek? No, the 27th was Tariff. The 27th was DeepSeek, yeah. Yeah, that was me as well. But I mean, I didn't have much size. It's pretty thin down here. It's deceptively thin. Even it's like thinner than TMC feels even, because at least TMC's a penny stock and its spread is like it's usually 1 or 2 cents intraday. But like I remember with Gorilla, the spread was pretty dog shit. Oh, you're an ATAT? Yeah, this one is choppy, but it's good. Yeah, yeah, I know. Anyway, it's just honestly. Oh yeah, and I got what else? What else happened? I'm gonna cope some more. I had Lightbridge here and got shaken out here. Didn't rebuy. The list goes on and on. Trading is nonstop cope, but lately it's been more cope than usual. So I don't know what to do. I mean, I don't know what to say. Oh man. But yeah, Reddit earnings. Gambled like a third of my position into this. I think I sold it like down in the 180s, like mid 185s, and it bounced, whatever. Some of the things that have been going on, right? Like SMCI. I was trying it like I remember I had it like here or here because I was like, okay, this is a short squeeze. And this obviously went nuts. Now the move is over for now. SMCI, where's I need. Anyway, don't sleep on some of these other names, these China names that haven't gone yet. Like LI, I like, and ZK. I'm gonna promote these two. I might redo my watch list to have a dedicated China list, actually, instead of this bullshit. Um, yeah, someone was asking me about quantum. Uh, hold on, let me send, what was I gonna send an alert for? Pony and ZK, WRD. Okay, yeah, these all have alerts. Yeah, I obviously, I know the news. I don't know if anything is worth it yet. Um, let's add quantum back into the, um, but yeah, it's not, I guess it's not bad. Let's promote all these to one for now. Or you know what? Let's promote the top few to 0 for today. I don't think I'm gonna try anything. I just, yeah, I don't know. No, you know what? Look at these space names. I didn't get baited by them at least. I'm just gonna take the positives. I've not been getting, I've not been taking the easy bait. Like this weekly is pretty good, but I don't really like the daily as much. I think it needs more tightness, and it's not like a huge confluence. But yeah, the news is pretty major. If you guys don't know what the news is, it's they like Microsoft basically announced a new form a new type of chip, I believe. It instead of using redundancy for accuracy, it's just a better it's a better chip, and they're saying it's the transistor of the quantum age, whatever. I don't know so much about that. But wait, I was going to talk about some of these moves in the ARC-G space, right? This is kind of breaking. It's trying to move out of the bottom part of its base, but this is like, I don't know. I'm not super excited about it. Right, like that's the base. I think it's gonna chop around till then, but you know, watch these. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are sort of moving. This is still alive, but I'm not gonna trade it. EST, let's push this back. Looking for one of these for a bounce at some point, maybe. I don't know. Oh yeah, LS. Some of these like old chip names, right? Like Intel. Uh, domestic chip making, domestic fabs. You know, I don't know. Maybe that's a narrative. Some other stuff going on. Natural gas is really hot because it's fucking freezing in the Midwest. And because of this, some like oil names like AR, like natural gas energy names are really good, but you know, I'm not trying to trade these. A lot of these cloud names kind of failed, right? Like Asana, because Net is like Net and CrowdStrike are the leaders, and they're pulling back now. I'm gonna hold. Yeah, non-stop cope, guys. Non-stop fucking cope. ASTS, I didn't buy it here. I'm gonna wait for a better setup. I think this needs a lot more time. Or not just some more time. I don't know how much, but yeah. Docs looks good. Bros looks good, right? He's APLD, another name that another data center name that kind of recovered. I don't know if this got news or not though. Airbnb, another name I'm watching. It's kind of choppy, but maybe in the IRA long term. This is how I used to draw ranges, by the way. I used to draw them like this. I was going to delete it, but I decided to keep it up just for posterity. Way back in November. Oh, why did MVIS move? Oh, right, sorry. But yeah, this was a MVIS. I don't know actually. I saw this yesterday. Uh, anything on Twitter? Damn, this is interesting. This is I didn't get like a fever this time from being sick. I just went like a one day a sore throat, like 2 days of sore throats, and then just like nonstop snot, dude. I think it's just a short squeeze on MVIS. I don't see any news. Sometimes random shit just happens. Anduril Palmer? What the fuck? I'm seeing something saying that Anduril posted about it. I saw that the Anduril account was like crazy random posting. Oh, it's Palmer Lucky. This fucking I hate this guy. This Anduril tech guy. Oh wait, never mind. This is a long time ago. It's just a short squeeze. I wouldn't think too much about it. You can trade it if you want, I guess. I'm probably not gonna. What else is going on? Um, you know what? I'll add it here. Why not? Did I talk about everything? Summit looks not bad, I guess. Let's add this to one. WGS went, yeah, this is just choppy, you know. Or, I mean, it was choppy, never mind. Maybe I keep this in one for now. Yeah, some random semi-names that I found again while scanning, like Rhombus looks good again. I wonder if like a lot of these ACLS, remember this was a leader back 2022, 23. I wonder if GFS is going to get, okay, yeah, this is probably getting some bids on the Intel news and at earnings, I guess. Because this is a foundry, right? And the Taiwan stuff, because if uh, if we move manufacturing out of Taiwan, if the US does, right? Some random things like Corsair I like. Oh, Compass, that's right. Compass made a move, and I just completely missed it because I haven't been paying it. I just wasn't watching it. What do I think of, when did I enter Clover? I think I bought it here. Yeah, I bought it last Wednesday. Just small size for now. I don't think it's broken out yet, but it looks really good. TMC also really small size, like I said. ACMR is working at least. JD is kind of working. Yeah, ACMR on this 24-hour bar alert. JD weekly looks pretty good for well, it's got a if you, okay. Interesting. I thought defense names were gonna get clobbered. What happened on this day again? January 15th? Oh, I guess they had some similar problems as Supermicro. Shake Shack. Beely. Good luck, guys. Some of these might be worth buying, I guess, but maybe not on open. I'm not adding anything on open. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Yeah, it's going. Good luck, guys. No, I'm not gonna buy it. I'm gonna just try to hold on to what I have for now. I don't think I'm gonna buy. I wanted to buy Upstart, but I guess not. I'll buy it on highs maybe, or pre-market highs. Just weakness in US equities for now. ARK needs to bounce off the 10-day for all the growth names to go. Oh, damn. Please slurp some more. I'll try, buddy. It's not my fault. I have a congestion. I have to slurp. Oh, damn. Yeah, Baba's going crazy. Billy, I want to. Man, I'm gonna wait though. Just be patient. Can't believe this is at 1:30 already. This China theme due to tariff fear. Yeah, I mean that's how it goes. Buy the fear. This is a wild move, man. Especially for like a mega cap. Volume here, right? News got sold, really. It's so annoying. Like, really just rejected right off of this level. That's fine. Maybe we can tap the 10-day and bounce. Bitcoin is constructive, at least. STAI? What is this? Yeah, oh yeah, I was watching it. Uh, maybe. Just really thin. All right, we're selling the good news. Oh, that's not a good sign. You guys hear me just fart? Yeah, just China going up. Hmm. How much volume was this anyway? Yeah, not a lot. Yeah, it's getting sold. Did I see Dom H? Yeah, it's just the oops. I was using that to I was copying that into the muted words on Twitter. Yeah, the just pimping out Don Jr. basically, whoring him out. Anduril? I thought Dom H had the it was what's his name? Don Jr. on the board. Right? This is what's driving it. But it's kind of thin. Damn, 14%, 142. Come on, give me the 10-day. Okay, I'm gonna sell some. And I think I'm gonna buy some Beely. Yeah. What liquidity filter do I use? It's $10 million volume for the previous day. Let's see. Yeah, $10 million volume. Oh, this like doubled. That's crazy. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna cut the stream early. I think I'm gonna go cope some more about not having more Baba. Later, guys. Thanks for joining.